These are the Milk Touch Jelly Tinted Glow Tints. I have 3 shades. We're going to try all of them on for the first time. This is what the packaging looks like. It has a cool ice cube-like thing on the top. There's a close-up of the applicator. I feel like it's pretty comparable to other lip tints on the market. This is the shade 2 Peach on top. It's a bright coralish pink. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. It smells like fresh apples. This is the shade Peach on top. It has a really nice glowy shine. It's a little brighter than what I would normally wear, but I kind of like it. I feel like it just brightens up my face. Perfect for the summer. Alright, let's wipe off half the lip to see what kind of tint it left behind. Here's the tint that it left behind. I feel like it's very subtle. I don't even know if I noticed a lot of a difference. It's definitely pinkier. I feel like if I left the lip product on longer, maybe it would have stained a little bit more. Here's the lippy, and then here's the stain. Next is shade 4, Mute Official Plum. This is what it looks like swatched on the back of my hand. I feel like it's not very plum at all. It's kind of more of a pinky nude. Here's what it looks like swatched on my lips. Ooh, that's really pretty. Here's what it looks like on the lips. I really like the scent of these. It smells like just such fresh apples. It's so juicy, maybe just as juicy as my lips. It feels kind of cooling on the lips. I don't know if it's supposed to, but it feels kind of cold, and I really like that as well. Alright, let's see what the stain looks like. This one definitely has a darker stain than the previous one, but maybe it's also just the stains combined on top of each other, if that makes sense. I really like the color of this, and I also really like the stain that it leaves behind. I also removed half of the swatch so that we can kind of compare the stains on my hand as well. Last but not least, this is 8 Rosy Breeze. This is what it looks like swatched on the back of my hand. And that's what it looks like on my lips. I feel like it looks really similar to the previous shade. Maybe that's just me. For some reason, I feel like everything always looks brighter on my lips than it does on my hand. These last 2 shades, 4 and 8, are actually more similar than I thought. And here is what the stain looked like. Still a really pretty stain that it leaves behind. Again, here are all the shades swatched side by side, starting at the top 2, and then 4, and then 8, as well as their corresponding stains. Can't decide which one I like the most. Let me know, which one do you think looks best on me?